Are you struggling to resize images in Python while keeping their proportions intact? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle how to resize images by adding a white background, making them square without distorting their original size. I totally get it. Trying to resize images can be a real headache, especially when you want to maintain their proportions. Many people face this issue, and it can be frustrating when you don't know where to start. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked how to create a Python script to resize images without changing their proportions, specifically by adding a white background. They mentioned working with PNG, JPG, and GIF formats. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's the challenge here? The user wants to transform a 500 by 700 pixel image into a 700 by 700 pixel image by adding a white band on each side. This is definitely possible, and we can achieve it with a few simple steps. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will make your image processing tasks even easier. To begin, the user needs to install the Pillow library, which is essential for image processing in Python. This can be done using the pip package manager. Next, the user should import the necessary modules from the Pillow library. This includes image and image ops, which will help in resizing and adding the white background. Now, let's write the function to resize the image while maintaining its proportions. The user will need to calculate the new size and create a new image with a white background. Finally, the user can call this function with the desired input and output paths, as well as the target size. This will create a new image with the specified dimensions. Fun fact, did you know that the first image ever uploaded to the internet was a picture of a band called Les Horribles sur Net? Talk about a blast from the past. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to resizing images while maintaining proportions is provided by a user. They suggest using the Python imaging library, or PL, to achieve this. The user shares a code snippet that opens an image, checks its aspect ratio, and creates a new background with the desired ratio. If the image's aspect ratio doesn't match, it calculates the necessary dimensions and pastes the original image onto the new background, saving the result as a new file. Let's check out another perspective from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user involves a Python function to resize images while maintaining their proportions and adding a white background. The function calculates the target ratio and compares it with the image's ratio to determine whether to resize by width or height. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Always test your script with different image sizes to ensure it works seamlessly across various scenarios. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You now know how to resize images in Python while keeping their proportions intact. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Python tips and tricks.